Good afternoon, everyone. Monday, March 11th, giving my Monday trades. And today, pre market, it was a yellow day. So, and the markets, really could have gone either way. So I went into it just saying, hey, let me see. I'm going to trade what I'm going to see. Markets opened at 9:30. I actually saw an opportunity for a put at 9:32. So I got in on this candle for a put, and it was the strike price $172.50. Got in at 9:32, and in order for me to make a profit, I'm gonna need to go below like 172 $172.87. So where you're seeing the numbers on the side here, I'm going to need it to go like below $172.87. So getting in at that 932 signal, it didn't get there. And as you can see, as we're looking at these candles, it didn't get to where I needed it to go. So I needed it to go below this yellow line. So I was watching, and what I wound up doing was making a decision. When you trade, you're going to have to make a decision. You got to make a decision on what you're going to do. Having the intestinal fortitude to go through this, it's going to take some time. But what I decided is, hey, I don't take chances. So my trading commandments, I cut my losses between 10 to 15%. So I went ahead and I decided I'm going to cut my losses. So I got out of this trade at 9:48. I got out on this candle. So I got out on this candle right here to cut my losses because it wasn't getting down to that yellow line. And I said, you know what? That's okay. I can make that up. I'm okay with that. I have more wins than losses. It's all about my profit. As long as if my account starts on Monday at a certain amount, and as long as it's higher by Friday, that's all that's going to matter at this point. Once you're DOTC and you understand what you need to do, you're going to be able to address and handle. So I decided, you know what? There you go. Got out on that candle at that 9:48. I was tempted to trade again. I wanted to, but I knew that that would be revenge trading. And when you revenge trade, that may not go well for you. So I stepped away from the computer and I said, you know what? Let me go take a step back. And I said, I'll come back to it and see, how I'm feeling later. So came back later and probably at about 10, I saw an opportunity, start seeing an opportunity around 10:40 because I came back to the computer. So there was an opportunity to get in on a call, 175 strike price, and I got in on a call at 10:45. So I got in on a call right here, this candle, and I got a win on this, but I didn't get out until 11:10. So I got in here and I'm like, okay. And in order for me to make a profit, I'm going to need it to go above that yellow line. So I got in again, 10:45, got in at this candle right here for a call. And it took until 11:10. So I got out on this candle right here, the one that you're seeing. That's where I got out. Move it over a little bit. 10, 10:45. Got in here. I needed to go above that yellow line, and I got out at 11:10. Was able to get out on that candle right here. So it was a winner. I'm a scalper, so I scalped. That means I want to try to get in and out. Could I have waited a little longer and see if I could have got some more? Yeah, but that was not what I wanted to do. It's being that perfect entry, get in, get out, and that's exactly what I did using my signals. So it takes that intestinal fortitude to be able to ride that. And as you can see, it was just fluctuating very little. Very little was going on. And then it started to break up. So that call was a win for me. So today was a good day. It was a challenging day, but a day that I was able to get through. And tomorrow is a new day. I'm going to live. I'm going to live to trade another day. And tomorrow is a new day. And tomorrow's trade is going to be different than today's trade. So it's always trade for this day, These trades are done, and then I move on to tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow.